name is LaJuan Jones. Welcome back to my YouTube channel on homemade desserts. If this is your first time tuning in, please be sure to hit the notification bell when you subscribe. Today we will make another one of my favorite summertime pies, banana cream pie. It's a very simple dessert and it only includes 4 ingredients. It's one of my son's favorite desserts and his mouth is watering as we talk about it. So let's go ahead and make this very easy, very tasty dessert. Our ingredients include 2 3.4 ounce boxes of Jell-O instant banana cream pudding, 1 14 ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, 1 banana, a 3/4 cup of milk, and 1 9-inch ready-made graham cracker pie crust. I begin by placing slices of the banana in the bottom of our pie crust. I emptied both boxes of the Jell-O banana pudding into this bowl. And now I will add the condensed milk, and with the condensed milk I'll also add this milk. I'm using 2% milk, but you may also use whole milk. We'll blend these items together and then we're going to mix them on medium speed with a mixer. I mixed these items with the hand mixer about 1 to 2 minutes, and now I'm going to pour them over the bananas into the pie crust. Now we'll let this refrigerate for anywhere from 2 hours to overnight. I prefer to have mine refrigerate and chill overnight. Place plastic wrap over the pie before putting it into the refrigerator to chill. This pie has chilled in the refrigerator overnight. Now we will top it with whipped topping. You may use Cool Whip or homemade whipped topping. Today I will be using homemade whipped topping. If you want to know how to make my homemade whipped topping, view my lemon cream pie video. After adding the whipped topping, simply put a little garnish on your pie and serve. For myself, I added a few bananas and a little crushed up graham cracker. Some people like to add a little crushed up vanilla wafer to their pie. It is so easy, and it is so delicious. If you prefer not to make your own banana cream pie, simply contact me to make one for you. You can reach me at LaJuan0523 @gmail.com. Thank you and have a blessed day.